Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing 10 surprising mobile facts that most people have never heard before. Let's begin. Fact 1. The first mobile phone was over 1 kilogram. The world's first mobile phone, the Motorola Dynatac, weighed more than 1 kilogram. You could only talk for about 30 minutes before the battery died. Fact 2. On average, people check their phones 150 to 200 times a day. Most people unlock their phone without any real reason, just out of habit. Fact 3. AMOLED screens commonly develop green lines due to heat and bending. It's not always the company's fault. Excessive heat, bending in pockets, or minor drops can cause internal line damage. Fact 4. The display is the most expensive part of a smartphone. In many phones, the display alone costs 50% to 70% of the phone's manufacturing cost, especially AMOLED. Fact 5. Using your phone at 100% brightness damages the display faster. Maximum brightness produces more heat. This heat stresses the display panel and can lead to issues like burn-in or lines. Fact 6. Using your phone while charging is harmful. When your phone charges, it already generates heat. Using it at the same time creates double heat, which is dangerous for the battery and motherboard. Fact 7. Slim back covers don't protect your phone much. Thin or aesthetic covers offer almost no shock absorption. Only good quality bumper cases protect displays during accidental drops. Fact 8. Charging your phone overnight slowly kills the battery. Lithium batteries perform best between 20% and 80%. Leaving your phone plugged in the whole night speeds up battery aging.